What's up guys, EmmysRoom here. So in this video we have the JBL Flip 7 which will be going against the JBL Flip 6. Right, so the JBL Flip 7 is the all new release of JBL 2025. It came out this month, right, so it's still new. Anyway, we want to find out which one sounds better. So I'd love you guys to drop your thoughts in the comments. So remember to like and share and subscribe to EmmysRoom, because what we do here in EmmysRoom is we make this comparison of gadgets and let you know the one that actually suits your budget, right? And we also sell this gadget anyway at EmmysRoom. So stay tuned. Let's dive right into the video. So guys, what's your thoughts between the two of them, right? So I'm not supposed to drop my own thoughts right now, but I'll do that because I believe the JBL Flip 7 completely destroys the JBL Flip 6. It's louder. I think what they did was that they made the tweeter and the subwoofer in the Flip 7 play together. You know, normally the tweeter was supposed to be for sound separation, which we have on the Flip 6. But now both the speaker, that's the subwoofer, and the tweeter has the vocals. Do you get? So it makes it louder, and he also retains his bass. Anyway, this is my own opinion, so let me know yours. And remember to subscribe to EmmysRoom and like this video, share, because they allow people like you who are music enthusiasts and who want to really know which speaker they should get. Drop your thoughts on which one sounds better, and is it going to be worth your upgrade? Take confirm.